All right, gang. Let's take a look at an example here using the smartboard as well as Doceri, which allows me to use the Apple Mini iPad. If you notice in this particular problem, we have. I'm just going to rewrite this here. This is going to be f of x. And this will equal x squared minus 4x plus 3. So I just have an equation here, and if you notice, I went ahead and graphed this. Okay. This particular graph, you can see the x-intercepts, which are here, the y-intercept, which is here. And I wish to find the slope of the tangent line. Let me just pick a point here. This point right here is going to be 4, and this will be comma 3. So we want to find the slope of the tangent line, and I can go ahead and simulate that line. Let me change colors here. I don't know, we can do something like this. Okay, something like that. We want to find this slope, so we want to find m equals question mark. Okay, so our point is going to be 4 comma 3, x equals 4. Let's see if I can clean this up a little bit. Y is equal to 3, and of course we want to find the slope at that point. Now to do that, we need to do a couple things. First of all, we need the formula here, which is going to be m, and this is going to equal, remember, it's going to be f of c plus, this will be delta x minus f of c. The whole thing is divided by delta x. Okay? Remember, that's one of the formulas that should be on your note card, or if you check in your book, it's in there as well. So now to find the slope, we're going to go ahead and substitute in, so we're going to have, okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to substitute in. So if I do that, let me change the color here. All right, let me go to blue, okay? So this is going to end up equaling, now let's do f, and this is going to be 4 plus delta x minus f of 4. This whole thing will be divided by delta x. All right, so now if I do that, this is going to be 4 plus delta x squared minus 4 times 4 plus delta x, and this will be plus 3. All right, and of course this whole thing is minus, okay, f of c, which is going to be f of 4. So if I go up here, we already know what this is. F of 4, I'll do this up here on the sidebar. F of 4 is going to equal 4 squared minus 4 times 4, which is 16, plus 3. So if I do all that, we know that this is going to equal 3. Okay, so save a little bit of work in here. This is going to be 3. We're going to divide this whole thing by delta x. All right. So now, if I expand this, I'm going to expand this in here. So this becomes 16, okay, plus 8 delta x plus delta x squared minus 16 minus 4 delta x plus 3 minus 3, and the whole numerator is divided by delta x. All right, so now if we start canceling some things, okay, notice that this 16 cancels with this 16, this 3 cancels with this 3, and then if you guys notice in here, we have 8x minus 4, 8 delta x minus 4 delta x will give us 4 delta x, and this of course will be plus delta x squared, whole thing divided by delta x. All right. Of course, if we do some canceling here, this goes away with this cancels with this. Okay, so we're left with, and I better do the limit over here. So this is going to be the limit as delta x approaches 0, and this will equal, and once I reduce everything, I get 4 plus delta x. And if I take the limit as delta x approaches 0, okay, this goes away. So our final answer here, the slope of that tangent line is going to be m is equal to 4. Okay? So again, a little bit of work to do this slope in this method. And remember, we're going to eventually substitute c for x, and we'll be able to find a slope of any point along that curve, provided the limit does exist. Thank you, and have a great day.